Hello everyone, so for today's video, we will discuss how to solve a logarithmic equation. So what is a logarithmic equation? A logarithmic equation is an equation containing a variable in a logarithmic equation. So example, log x plus 4 with a base of 3 is equal to 6. Next, log x plus 8 with a base of 5 is equal to 3. And the last one is this. So there's a step in solving a logarithmic equation. Number 1 is isolate the logarithmic term on one side of the equation. Number 2, write the equation in exponential form. Number 3 is solve for the variable. And the last one is check to make sure you do not have extraneous solution. So, but before that, let's have a short review on how to write a logarithmic equation in exponential form. So, for example, is log x with a base of 5 is equal to 4. So, how to make an exponential? So, remember that 5 is the base and the 4 is the exponential. So, that will become a 5 raised to 4 is equal to x. So that will become 5 raised to 4 is equal to x. So this is the exponential form for this logarithmic. Another example, log 64 with a base of 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, 6 is 2 raised to 6 is equals to 64. And the third one is log t with a base of c. So how to become an exponential? So c raised to x is equal to t. So remember this because this will be end on how to solve logarithmic equation. So next, for example, we need to solve for log 2x with a base of 4 is equal to 10 with a base of 4. So first, you look where is the base of this number, so that the base is the same on the both sides. Therefore, 2x is to 10. So 2x divided by 2 is equal to x, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, let's check. So, substitute natin ang x. So, log 2 times x is equal to log 10 with the base of 4. Then, so, 2x 2 times 5 is equals to 10. So, that is check.
The quantity of x plus 8 with a base 5 is equal to 3. X plus 8 is equal to 5 cubed, and x plus 8 is equal to 125. X plus 125 minus 8 is x is equal to 117. So let's check. 117 plus 8 with a base 5 is equal to 3. Then 125 with a base 5 is equal to 3. 5 cubed with a base 5 is equal to 3. So this is true solution. So another one is the quantity of 2x minus 1 with a base 3 is equal to 2. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 squared. Then 2x minus 1 is 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we can divide it both sides. So 2x divided by 2 is equal to x. Then x divided by 2 is equal to 5. So our x is 5. So let's check. So using the original logarithmic equation, log 2 times 5 is minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10, minus 1 is 9. So the 9 is the 9 we can express 9 as 3 squared. So 2 is 2 is equal to 2 is the real solution. So log 16 with the base x is equal to 2. So x squared is equal to 16. After that, we can subtract on both sides by 16. So that is x squared minus 16 is equal to 0. After that, we can factor out x squared minus 16. That is x plus 14 times x minus 4 equals 0. So after that, we can solve for x now. Solve for the variable. So 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 x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4. Then x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to positive 4. Now, let's check log of 16 with the base x is equal to 2. If we substitute the first value of x, that is negative 4, now this is not defined. So negative 4 is not the part of solution. How about positive 4? So let's see. Log of 16 with the base of 4 is equal to 2. 4 squared is equal to 16, or we can express 16 as 4 squared. So therefore, the answer is 2 is equal to 2. So that is correct.
Next is to solve log x plus 1 with base 2 plus log x minus 1 with base 2 is equal to 3. Copy our given. So move your base to the opposite side and we will have 2 cubed. Solve for it and also our multiply our x plus 1 and x minus 1 and we will have x cubed minus 1 is equal to 8. Next we're going to do is move 8 to the left side and it will become negative and negative and over a negative it will become additional. So 8 negative 8 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 9. Now since we have this solution we're going to solve our final x, which is we're going first to solve the positive one, which is the x plus 3 is equal to 0. Move positive 3 to the opposite side and we will have x is equal to negative 3. Next is the negative 1 and negative move side from 0 is equal to positive. Now to check our x value of x, we're going to determine whether if it's which is which is the one who will be to get the equal answer. Copy negative 3 first because this is the first thing we have. First answer we have solve negative 3 plus 1 and negative 3 to minus 1. We'll have negative 2 to negative 4. Now, since our x is negative, this is wrong because we can't continuously make them an exponential form if they are negative. So if our x is negative, final solve is negative, and our answers will also be negative, and it is not essentially correct in logarithm. Now, we're going to solve the positive one. Change x to your change your x here to positive 3. Solve 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 4 and 2. Now we can complete and legally change that 4 or 2 to its exponential form. Now all that is left is log 2 squared base 2 plus log 2 with base 2 is equal to 3. Cancel because they have the same numbers, and all that's left is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And basically 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So our answer here is correct. Lastly, solve for ln 2x is equal to 12. Copy the given, divide 4 and 12, and we will have ln 2x is equal to 3, or natural logarithm 2x is equal to 3. Since we're using a natural logarithm form, we will also use the irrational and transcendental number, which is the e. The, then raise the irrational will raise ln to x, and also the op opposite side will become e cubed, or irrational cube. Cancel the natural logarithm on this side and the irrational. Now all that is left is 2x is equal to 3 cubed. Divide 2x, 2 and 3e, 3 cubed, and all that is left, our final answer is x is equal to e cubed over 2. To check our final answer, we're going to change our x into our final answer, which is the e cubed over 2. We're going just to copy the x from our second solution. Since our main number 2 is equal our our x, it'll be a cancellation. So all that's left is 4 ln e cubed is equal to 12. Cancellation on ln and 3, and all that's left is 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Since the final answer is equal, this is correct. Don't mind the face. Well, I think that's all for our lesson for today in lesson 21. I hope you guys understand our defense. You can just watch again to clearly understand of what we discussed, and prepare for lesson 22 because we're going to have a quiz. And for the next lesson, we're going to solve for logarithmic inequalities and graphing logarithmic functions. Yes, solving for logarithmic inequalities and graphing logarithmic functions is really important to make make a graph. It's all about making a graph, and yes, we're going to discuss that in the next sector our video. And our quiz will be 5 items only. If you caught them all, if you caught them all correctly, then you are ready for the another upcoming lessons that we're going to discuss in the future. So yes, that'll be all. Thank you.